How to enable or disable your microphone in Windows. Managing your Windows microphone is key for privacy, security, and performance. Let's cover how to enable or disable it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to enable or disable the microphone in Windows. Controlling mic access prevents unauthorized use, improves call quality, and avoids accidental background noise. To enable or disable your microphone, access microphone settings via Windows key plus I. Under Settings, go to Privacy, Microphone. Find microphone access for this device. Toggle on or off to enable or disable. Next, find Test your microphone. If the volume bar moves, your microphone is working. Alternative methods. If that doesn't work, here are alternatives. Use Device Manager to enable or entirely disable your microphone for hardware level control. Right-click on Start, select Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs, and right-click your microphone. Many devices offer mute functions, so look for dedicated shortcuts. You can also use multimedia controls for quick toggling. Troubleshooting microphone issues. To diagnose and troubleshoot common microphone issues, let's go over some common fixes. To troubleshoot microphone issues in Windows, first check physical connections. Next, ensure the mic is set as the default device via Settings Sound. You can also adjust input levels under Settings, System Sound. To suppress noise, right-click your mic under Sound, Recording, Properties. To resolve microphone app conflicts, close any unnecessary apps that might be accessing your mic. Next, verify that the application has permissions by going to Settings, Privacy, Microphone. If issues persist, reboot the audio service. FAQs. Enabling or disabling the microphone in Windows. To check, go to Settings, Privacy, and then find Microphone. You can also check if the icon appears in your system tray. Check if the microphone connection is secure, or if any drivers need updating under the Device Manager. Then verify app permissions in Settings, Privacy, Microphone. Effective microphone management is essential for everyone, from professionals to privacy-conscious users. For more information, check out our official blog post on enabling and disabling the microphone linked in the description below.